Hello, we're Biscuiteers, the original hand-iced biscuit company. Each year we ice around 3 million biscuits by hand, and today we'll be showing you how to ice 4 of our Jolly Gingers, especially for Father's Day. If you want to create something special for your dad, then this is the perfect handmade and hand-iced present. We'll need 4 gingerbread men shapes, piping bags for all of your different colours, and 4 squeezy bottles for your flood icing. If you want to learn how to make different icing consistencies, then click on the link above to see our previous video. So, we'll begin with our green-fingered Jolly Ginger. This one is perfect if your dad's an inspiring Monty Don. We'll start with the hat. Draw your line icing across the head of the ginger and then use that same coloured line icing to create his Wellington boots. We'll next go in with the same coloured flood icing and fill all the shapes that we've just made. Of course, every ginger needs a jolly face, so make sure you ice that on. We'll then take the same colour and add in the arms and the legs. You can change colours to customise your ginger, but we iced a blue apron onto him and created a plant pot for him to carry as well. Fill with whatever flowers you like. We've gone for pink. You then need to add any details like rosy cheeks. And your green-fingered Jolly Ginger dad is complete. We'll then move on to our tennis-playing dad, the perfect one to choose for all the sports-loving dads out there. Of course, we need to ice his face and arms on, and then you can start adding details like his headband, tennis ball, and racket. We've gone for red, but you can choose whatever colours you like. We gave him a little collar for his tennis shirt, and of course, some white tennis shoes. We then go in with the black to create the strings of the racket and once more with the white to add any details to the tennis ball. Our penultimate Jolly Ginger is of course the sunbathing swimming trunks dad. For the Sunlander dads, this one is perfect. His arms may look a bit more complex here, but all you need to do is take it one step at a time. If you find it tricky, you can always ice his arms like before and then add that line in afterwards. It's different for every icer. We made his sunbathing shorts blue, but of course you can make them pink, red, yellow, whatever you like. And we use our squeezy bottle to fill the shorts in. Don't forget to let your flood icing dry before adding any details. We dry ours at 50 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Next, we move on to his sunnies, the ultimate dad accessory. We then added some floral details to his shorts, but of course you can do anything. Maybe even zebra print if you're feeling particularly good with the piping bag. Shade those glasses in with the black and our sunbathing Jolly Dad is ready for the sun. And finally, onto our leading man, our super dad. We'll start with his blue bodysuit. Like before, you would ice this how you have previously iced the arms and the hands, except this time just don't add the hands. We'll do this in a separate colour. Next come the red underpants, which begs the question, is he a super dad or a cool dad? We use the same red to ice his cape onto his shoulders with tiny red triangles and then move onto his diamond motif. Leave enough room for his iconic yellow D in the diamond, or if you find this too hard, just do the D beforehand and ice around it. And there we have it, our Father's Day Jolly Gingers. Of course, you don't have to follow our ideas and you can create whatever you fancy, but we hope we've given you the tools to be able to do that. Our Jolly Gingers are available to buy online and in store. If you create your own dads in Jolly Ginger form, please tag us in your creations using the handle @Biscuiteers Ltd or the hashtag BiscuiteersMagic. Happy creating, and don't forget to enter our Draw Your Dad competition with the PDF below.